Hey everyone, welcome to this video in the How to Win at Teaching Online series. In this video, I'm going to be going over a very popular topic that I get asked about a lot from new instructors and when I'm on podcasts and webinars talking about teaching online. And that is, how do you pick a topic? Picking a topic as a new instructor is really difficult. Even as an experienced instructor, it's hard to know what should my next course be. And I have a really strong piece of advice that I hope you follow. One thing that a lot of instructors are worried about is, how much money will I make from this course? Will this course be able to make a lot of money? And while that's important for someone who depends on teaching online courses for a living, hopefully those of you who are just starting out are either working a full-time job or have another source of income or financial ability to do this on the side without worrying about whether this will pay for your meals and your bills. And so I don't want you to just follow the money. Don't just create a course because you think it will make a lot of money. When you get more experience, it is a good idea to look around and see if courses have an audience, see on Udemy and on Google, search around and find if there are blogs related to your topic. If you go on YouTube and search for example, if you're a Photoshop designer, if you search for Photoshop tutorials, if you go on Udemy and you search for Photoshop classes, if you see classes and tutorials on that subject, it's a good sign that there are people out there willing to pay for your course. But when you're starting out, I highly suggest that you don't worry about that yet. I want you to teach what you love. Teaching what you love means teaching something that you love talking about. What do your friends and your family talk about on a day-to-day basis? For me, I love talking about baseball. I love talking about my cat. I love talking about brewing beer and tasting beer. I love lots of things. And that's why some of my earlier courses are on those topics. I have classes on how to understand baseball, how to brew beer, how to adopt a cat. And those were just fun classes for me to teach. Why do I suggest that you teach a class like that? It doesn't have to be silly like that. It could be a class on Photoshop tools or Photoshop design if that's what you're really into and what you love. But I want you to teach a class that you love talking about because it will make the whole process better for you when you're starting out. It's not easy to teach an online course. You have to understand how to do screencasting, set up microphones, edit video, promote video, design a course image, write out the copy for your description, and pick a good title. And it's a lot of work. And if you're doing it for a topic that you're not passionate about, it's going to make the whole process a lot harder for you. But if you are loving what you're doing and you're not as concerned about will this make money, you're going to enjoy the process and it will help you learn in a better way. And so when you are creating your second, third, or fourth course, you will be better at teaching online. From that first experience of teaching just whatever you love, you'll learn how to speak on camera, how to edit your courses, how to build an audience for your course. And that way you will be able to make money with that topic that might have a better chance of making money than the topic that you first taught of just what you love. And so this is my first advice for new instructors is, especially for your first course, pick something that you love. Even if you are doing something really random, there will be an audience for it. Try not to worry about the money. If you do make money from it, think of it as extra money and fun money that you can use to either invest in a better microphone or just to have fun with. And then in your next courses, that's when you start to care more about whether your course topic has an audience and if you'll make money from it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Teach what you love. That's what I did from the very beginning, and I've had a lot of success with it, and I hope you do too.